Hey everybody, welcome back to the video on the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install GeForce drivers for your GeForce graphics card. Let's get into the video. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is open up your browser of choice, so mine's Google Chrome. Next, what you want to do is look up GeForce drivers, and then it'll show here this first link here. Click on this one. I'll take you to this page here. Now, you can do automatic driver updates if you want, but we're going to show you the way to do it manually. So what you want to do is look up your product type, so the kind of graphics card you have, like the brand. Mine is GeForce, so click on that. And then the product series, which mine is 30 series. Now, the notebooks here are like the laptop, so if you have a 30 series like graphics card in your laptop, you'll do notebook. But me, it's in my desktop, so I do 30 series. Then, what you want to do is go to the product. So this is just the kind it is. So 3060, 3060 Ti, 3070, etc. So mine's a 3060, so I'll click on that. And then operating system, do whatever one you have. Mine is Windows 10 64-bit, so I'll choose that. Then you want to choose your language. Now mine is English. You can do any of these ones. It has a bunch of them. So I'm just going to keep it on English US. And then download type, we want to do all, unless you just want to do one of these certain drivers, but I'll do all because it shows both of them. Alright, so now it'll show down here driver results, and you want to download one of these ones. Either one works, or you can do both. For me, I found that this one worked for my graphics card, so I click the get download, and then download now. Now I already have it installed on here, so I can show you it, and I'll click on that. Once it's done downloading, it'll show this. And okay. And then it's just installing. Alright, now it's checking the compatibility for it, and you just do agree and continue. All that. Basically agreed to everything that it showed. Then it's preparing for the install. Alright, your screen might go black, but that is normal. It should do that. That's just it installing to your graphics card, and it's finished now, so there we go. And click close. There we go. And just like that, we've installed new drivers for our graphics card. This stuff here is just a bunch of like ads and stuff. It'll tell you to log in, but you don't have to do that, so just close that out. Alright, I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, share with your friends, and until next time, goodbye.